Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Parthasarathy MKR, Consultant General Physician, Helios Hospitals, Tirupati. Today I am going to briefly tell you about COVID-19 vaccination. Has COVID-19 vaccination been started worldwide? The answer is yes. There are in total 6 approved vaccines all over the world, among which the first and foremost, both in terms of efficacy and safety, is Pfizer and BioNtech's mRNA-based vaccine. So it is being used in USA, Canada, Mexico, Bahrain. In such countries it is being used. So there are 20 to 30 non-approved vaccines also, among which the leading ones from India are Covaxin, Zycov-D and Covishield. What is a non-approved vaccine? The vaccines which are in phase 1, phase 2 or phase 3 clinical trials are non-approved vaccine, whereas approved vaccines are those which have completed this phase 3 clinical trials and has been in clinical use. So among which I am today going to discuss about the mRNA-based Pfizer and BioNtech's. Now I will briefly address the common myths and doubts about COVID-19 vaccination. Some people will ask me that, sir, I have previously suffered from COVID-19, can I take vaccination or not? Yes, you can absolutely take the vaccine. I am talking about only the mRNA-based Pfizer and BioNTech's company vaccine. You can take that vaccine. The second most common doubt most people ask me is, I am suffering from current active COVID-19 infection, can I take vaccine or not? The answer is, only after subsiding of the symptoms, you should be in 14 days isolation. Only after that, you are be eligible to take the vaccination. The third most common doubt many people ask is, I am having medical conditions like hypertension, diabetes, kidney problem, liver problem, comorbid conditions we are having, immunosuppressive therapy we are taking, I am taking steroids, can I take vaccination or not? You can take vaccination. Absolutely yes, you can take vaccination. Another important doubt most people ask is, I had suffered from previous COVID-19 infection, but as a part of therapy I have received COVID-19 antibodies and plasma therapy. Can I take vaccination or not? Only after 90 days you can take the vaccination. Before 90 days you are not eligible to take the mRNA based vaccine. The next most common doubt is, can I take the flu shot or not? Most people will take flu shot every year regularly in the winter season, but you can't take that vaccine if you are taken corona vaccine. So minimum of 14 days should be there between two vaccines. Only after completion of 14 days you can take corona vaccine or you can take the flu shot. Next, what are the most common side effects of corona vaccine? There are no big side effects till now. Only fever, allergy has been reported till now, for which simple paracetamol and NSAIDs will be enough. The next most common doubt is, can pregnant mothers and lactating women take COVID-19 vaccination or not? As of now, no conclusive evidence has been present in pregnant ladies, but if the benefit outweighs the risk, you can take the COVID-19 vaccination. The next most common doubt is, will the test be affected after vaccination? So generally we do RT-PCR and rapid antigen test. These tests will not be affected by COVID-19 vaccination. But when you do antibody tests, there are two types of antibody tests. One is nucleocapsid based antibody test and next is spike protein based antibody test. Only when you do nucleocapsid protein based antibody test, it will be affected after vaccination. Whereas when you do spike protein based antibody test, it will not be affected after vaccination. Why I am discussing this is, whenever you want to fly abroad, whenever you go to other country, during the immigration process, they will ask for COVID-19 report. So you need not worry about that report, because after vaccination it has no effect over the test report. So you can happily do rapid antigen test or RT-PCR. It will not show any positive result after vaccination. If at all you get a positive report, it is because of current active infection but not due to vaccination. Regarding the COVID-19 vaccination, it is not a single dose vaccine, it is a dual dose vaccine. If you take vaccine today, after 17 to 21 days you have to take the second dose. It's a intramuscular vaccine. It may be taken as subcutaneous also, but most common preferred route is intramuscular route. Who should take this COVID-19 vaccination? Any person who is 16 years and above are eligible for this COVID-19 vaccination. As of now, evidence are not enough to take below this age group. Thank you for your patient listening. Whatever doubts and myths you have regarding COVID-19 vaccination, please mention in the comment box. I will try to clarify it.
Helios Hospitals, healthcare at its best. Opposite Devendra Theatre, Ashok Nagar, Tirupati.